I am Ratan Kumar Sarkar from India. My title, Evaluation of Mutational Values in Cancerous Point Mutation and Innovation of Values Effective Drugs for Cancer Treatment. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Introduction. To understand cancer biology, we have to go through Earth, Moon, space-time structure analysis. The curvature of Earth, Moon gives ultimately 3.67 or 0.3667 in time form, equal to avoiding decimals 183.2 plus 1, and 183 into 2 plus 1, where 183 is same time for Earth and Moon. The time of Earth and Moon is same, and a difference of 1 due to directional biology. A difference of 1 between Earth and Moon. A directional difference of 1. And the gravitational difference. Gravitational difference is 29. Gravitational difference where Earth's gravity 734 and Moon's gravity 705. That is, difference is 29. It is the 29 values is the basic structure, and the Earth exists opposite to Moon, so Earth's time equal to 183 plus 1. 1 is the directional values, same, and gravitational difference is 29. The lunar time and lunar gravity are two anti-directional forces, but meets together in the curvature of space-time. That is, 183 plus 705 equal to 888 equal to 900 minus 12. And in reverse direction, 705 minus 183 equal to 522 cancel out each other, equal to 900 minus 378, that is TTT, equal to 513, that is 27. It will be clarified by the equation plus 9 factor of directionality. The biophysical structure works with the 900, and the reverse domain 109 would be cosmological background would be present. I want to emphasize on 900 and 109. 900 and 109. I want to emphasize it. The 900, 109, a mathematical construction unifies protein and gene. The 900, 109 mathematical construction unifies protein and gene and differentiate positive and negative charge, The formula is utilized to next the biophysical structure. Then yes, there is the equation, the important equation here. Since 119.1197 09 minus 105.0930 serine equal to 14.0267 and equal to 131.1736 leucine minus 117.1469 valine gives a formula time equal to 0.0019 into m integer, which is important to penetrate into the. This equation is very important. Like the formula is derived from the 14.0267 values. That is m. That is m into 0.0019 equal to time, where time there is two time here. Vertical time or integer time. I would say it is integer time and decimal time. I shall time differentiate two times here. One is integer time and one is decimal time. And the code values. There is a new point. It is code values. Code values is such values that differentiate integer values, integer time and decimal time. Integer time and decimal time. And the amino acid molecular weight. The amino acid molecular weight are time values, and the integer values and the decimal values have separate identity. We have separate identity and differentiate by these code values. Code values is very important to evaluate the mutational values. To evaluate the mutational values of a mutation, this formula is very important. Next page, please. The biophysical structure or electrogravitational structure is based on 0.3477, that is 183. And in 183 is calculated from that equation m equal to m.0019 equal to time. 183 minus 0.2902, that is 0.1451.2 equal to 575. Equal to 575. And where 575 minus 325 equal to ratio 250 structural relative, that is it is a neutral point values. So 575 minus 325 equal to 250. It is a neutral values is associated with 109, and 0.1451 equal to 0.0938 plus 0.0513. So avoiding decimals in many places. It is seen 250 plus 109 equal to 359. And 9, the values ending with 9, it is a very significant, and it is a stop values. Stop values, and alternatively 250 minus 109 equal to 141, structure for downstream flows, and correspondingly 522 minus 378 equal to 144 equal to 141 plus 3. It is same 879 minus 3.59. There are some crucial structures in the system. There are some crucial structures in the system, like 900 equal to 575 plus 325 equal to 645 plus 255 equal to 289 plus 611. These three values are very important in the biophysical structure. Next, about BRAF T1799A D600E mutation. It is seen 135, that is A, minus 126, that is T, equal to 9. And 9 is a directional change. And conversely, 135 plus 126 equal to 261 equal to 900 minus 639, that is 600 plus 39, where, and according to formula, 39.0019 equal to 0.0714 equal to, it is a mutational value, 0.1494 E core values. Core values of glutamic acid, 0.1494 minus 0.0754 valid core values. And these values are determined from the equation m into 0.0019 equal to time. The negative mark has been ignored to avoid structural complications. The core values of glutamic acid, 147 into 0.0019 minus 0.1299 equal to 0.1494, and that of VAL, the core values is 0.0754, and so collinearity in reverse, 600 plus 741, that is 39, equal to 1341 or 441, that is reverse of 144, and 900 minus 171, 900 minus 171, that is 9, equal to 729, where 72 into 27 equal to 1944 or 144 under some pressure. The electrogravitational impulses. The electrogravitational impulses 0.016 or 0.0107. There should be plus minus 0.001 difference than 0.0107, getting direct access to the system bypassing tRNA mechanism, leading to uncontrolled cell growth, where 144 plus 106 equal 250 or 441 minus equal to 297 minus 106, and where 441 minus 144 is 297. A reverse reaction is found. A reverse reaction is found in the system. Alternatively, the core values of the core values, here is the subtraction of core values, but when we add the core values, the net values goes to 448. Next value 448, and ultimate value 293. Ultimately value goes to 293 plus 107. 107 equal to 400. 293 plus 107, that is influx of electrogravitational impulses, equal to 400. And 400 comes from the value that is 259. I shall discuss here. 259 equal to 25 into 52. Opposite direction equal to 400 is a baseline, and there is fact of electrogravitational impulses influx into the system. The molecular weight of amino acids That is, one part is integer time, and one part is decimal time, and they are differentiated by the core value. That there is no problem. When it is differentiated by core value, there is no problem. But when the integral values and the core values, integral values and the core values aligns, this alignment is in cysteine. The core values of cysteine is 5. When two cysteine disulfide bonds two sulfide cis is bond, then the core value is 518. 518, and it is its corresponding integral value is 122. 122, and this cysteine, the molecular weight of cysteine is 121 into 0.121.155 times 0. And when the integral time aligns with core values, that is, it is the fact of neutralization. The positive side and negative side is at a point. It is a situation when the positive values and negative values are at a point, and they meet together, and this arises the problem. This is the inception of problem. It is a integration. It is a neutralization when the integral time and the core values are aligned. The unit of neutralization. The unit of neutralization is 61. The unit of neutralization is 61, and its corresponding decimal time is 0.0259, that is 259. I shall avoid the decimal, and decimal can be avoided. And decimals can be avoided. And 161 is the integral time. 61 is the integral time, and its corresponding core values is 259. That is, the integral time and the 122 and 259 is neutralized. Point of neutralization. It is the point of neutralization. Since 259 into 2 equal to 518, it is the cis. When cysteine are bonded, this is the core values of cysteine bonded molecule. And 122, the integral time is corresponding core value is 518. That is, integral time and the core values at the same point. And this is neutralization. And 61 into 3 equal to 183. 183. It is Earth's time or lunar time. 183 and 259 into 3 equal to 259 into 3 equal to 777. 777. That is 183 is, and 777 is the fact of neutralization, and this is the source of problem. And we shall discuss later that due to this neutralization, the cancer is the cause of cancer. I should say cause of cancer. And there is also another neutralization value. Also neutralization values in gene, that is 61 plus 12 equal to 73. 61 plus 12 equal to 73. 73 and multiplied it by 0.0019 equal to 487. It is also a point of neutralization exists in gene. 487 is a point of neutralization, and its corresponding time blocking value is 879. That exists in protein. And the 879, the values were 87 into 78 equal to 487. If there is a neutralization in gene, there should be exist a similar neutralization into protein. Next. Next slide, please. The values 141 is the downstream structure related to tRNA distance of constancy factor 66. And 57 plus 9 factor of directionality equal to 66, where 44414, that is GGU minus 357 CCA tRNA factor equal to 557. Now 66 is equal to 15 plus 51. The reverse values, where 15 into 0.0107 equal to 0.1605 aligned to lunar gravity, and 51.0.0107 equal to 0.5457 or 957, where 57 plus 109, the values beyond the 900 is associated with 109. The values beyond 900 is associated with 109, the reverse of 900. Equal to 166 makes a difference of 100 to flow the electrogravitational impulses into the system. And in the bisection, yes, okay, the genetic mutational values about JAK2, G1849T, V617F, and TP53, G469T, V157F mutations. The genetic mutational values 151 G minus 126T equal to 25, where 25.0.019 equal to 0.0475 or 475, rotational form of 754 core values. And consequently, 754 minus 475 equal to 279, and 754 plus 475 equal to 1299 or 329 from positive and negative aspects. The protein mutational values 1235 F minus 754 V equal to 481 equal to 475 plus 6. Now 754 minus 645 times 645 is tyrosine core values equal to 109. and 32 into 27 equal to 864 equal to 575 plus 289 are significant. It is seen the values, the next we values 289, where 28 into 82 equal 2296 or 496, breaking the time barriers, where 575 plus 496 equal to 1071 or 171 and 496 minus 325 equal to 171, and also 575 minus 496 equal to 79 blocked, but in other side 496 plus 324 821 is complementary form of 289. 1 and 9 are the values 1 and 9 are significant. Here are some conclusion. The challenges are very tough because due to neutralization and the protein synthesis out of neutralization are oncoprotein. The synthesis of protein out of neutralization are oncoprotein, and elevated levels of oncoprotein causes cancer. The cancer biology is broadly discussed and might be helpful for drug development endeavor. If one applies these theories in practice, must go through clinical investigation and drug trial. Thank you.